Living with a partner who once cheated. Betrayal in a romantic relationship can be an immensely painful experience, shattering trust and causing deep emotional turmoil. For individuals choosing to stay with a partner who has been unfaithful, the journey towards healing and rebuilding trust can be filled with challenges and complexities. However, amidst the pain and uncertainty, many couples find a way to navigate through the aftermath, emerging with a stronger and more resilient connection. In this discussion, we explore the intricate dynamics of living with a partner who has committed infidelity, offering insights and perspectives on the path forward. 1. Confronting the betrayal. The revelation of infidelity often triggers a range of powerful emotions, including shock, anger, sadness, and feelings of betrayal. Confronting and working through these feelings is a crucial first step towards healing. Couples are encouraged to have open and honest communication, allowing each person to express their emotions, concerns, and needs without fear of judgment. Seeking support from a therapist or counselor can provide a safe environment to explore these emotions and navigate the complexities of betrayal. 2. Reconstructing trust. Restoring trust after infidelity requires a slow and meticulous effort that requires dedication and effort from both individuals involved. Transparency, honesty, and accountability are essential elements in rebuilding trust and fostering a sense of security within the relationship. The partner who betrayed must demonstrate sincere remorse, take ownership of their actions, and show a willingness to address the underlying issues that led to the breach of trust. Meanwhile, the betrayed partner may need time and reassurance to rebuild their trust and confidence in the relationship. 3. Forging a fresh relationship. Moving forward from infidelity frequently involves redefining the relationship and establishing new boundaries and expectations. Couples may need to reevaluate their communication styles, confront underlying issues such as intimacy or unresolved conflicts, and foster a renewed sense of commitment and loyalty to each other. Building a strong foundation based on mutual respect, empathy, and understanding becomes crucial for overcoming the challenges of rebuilding a relationship after betrayal. 4. Navigating triggers and trials. Living with a partner who has previously been unfaithful may involve dealing with triggers and challenges that evoke painful memories and emotions. It's important for both partners to be aware of each other's sensitivities and triggers, working together to create a supportive and caring environment. Demonstrating empathy, patience, and compassion for each other's experiences can help reduce tension and facilitate healing. Furthermore, seeking individual therapy or support groups can provide coping strategies and emotional support to navigate through difficult times. 5. Embracing advancement and healing. Although infidelity can cause significant harm to a relationship, it can also trigger progress, self-reflection, and transformation. Couples who choose to continue their relationship after infidelity may find that the experience deepens their understanding of themselves and each other, strengthens their resilience, and fosters a greater appreciation for the importance of trust and commitment. By embracing the process of healing and personal growth together, couples can emerge from the aftermath of infidelity with a renewed sense of closeness and purpose. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.